So Pooja Tople, nahi tumche naam? So Pooja, you are going to be taking the class next week,
Yes.
the Konkani learning course at TSKK, and your job is to teach vocabulary, nahi?
Yes.
So तिथून तू कितें शिकयतलें exactly?
वोकॅब्युलरी
मातशें व्हडल्यान सांगता.
हय वोकॅब्युलरीन म्हाजे बारीक बारीक उतरां आसात. सुरवातेक जे आमकां गरज पडटा कोंकणीन उलोवपाक सामकी बेजीक उतरां जशें की येस, नो, गो, कम, सीट.
So you are saying you will start with the very basic words.
व्हेरी बेजिक्स वर्ड.
आणि कसले शब्द फॉर एक्झाम्पल?
फॉर एक्झाम्पल कम, सीट, ड्रिंक,
होय.
टेक, गीव.
ओके ओके कितले शब्द आहा असले?
असले जायते आसात कित्याक आमी उलयता आसतना बेजीक स्टार्ट आमी येस, वय, ना.
वय.
तुका मनशां डायरेक्ट प्रश्न विचारतात कितें करतात,
वय.
कितें करता, कितें घेता, कितें
वय.
शिकता, ती वय ना.
हे शब्द शिवाय तुका कांयच म्हणूंक जायना न्ही आणि समजावंक सुद्धा जायना.
बट यू कॅन स्टार्ट करूं शकतात तूं
वय.
कन्वर्सेशन. यू कॅन हॅव दॅट.
So by learning this basic vocabulary, it will help you to understand what a person is saying, part of it,
Yes.
and you can follow and you can pick up more vocabulary.
Yes.
Which book you will be following?
I'm following the same book.
मातशें दाखयता cover. बरे, it's a very this is a old issue of the very old book, nahi?
Yes.
And it's been around for a long time.
Yeah.
इथून vocabulary आसा, पण you were saying that you also follow your own.
Yes. I make a separate chart of that.
Okay.
And I give to the student.
How many words?
There are like separate basic words like parts of the body, then relations names,
I see.
like mother, father, like that. Then some basic flowers, animals, like that.
Pooja, English in हायेन आयकला that there is a basic word list of 800 or 1000 words or something, and if you use this basic word list, you can understand basic English or maybe even speak basic English. Is there something similar for Konkani?
Yes, is there, but we have to learn grammar. Like you can get the words, but
Correct.
you don't know to put
How to put it together?
Yes. So you need after vocabulary you need grammar classes.
Supposing I know only vocabulary, will it help me to understand and get started in learning the language?
I am around only 30%. Not sure.
Yeah.
It's up to you how much you are getting.
Correct.
Okay, like that. So you just understand the word language what other person is speaking. You don't know to communicate.
You cannot communicate back.
Yes.
So, for example, I can understand Marathi, but I cannot say a sentence in it.
Oh.
That problem is there. So yeah, those issues will be there. What is your experience with students? Do they pick up fast? What do they find difficult when they are studying Konkani for the first time?
For them, it is like they need more practice. They ask only for the extension of classes.
I see.
They are very much interested and they ask for one more month as we are learning. So that is more difficult for us because they are very happy with us learning.
Yeah.
So they need some extra time and we can't give that.
The problem with Konkani is that in Goa, तुका कोंकणी येना सुद्धा गेल्यार काम चालू करूंक दवरता. You can get by without knowing anything, without knowing enough Konkani. Unlike other languages like say Hindi in North India, Marathi to some, not in so much in Mumbai but in Maharashtra. So people here, there's a mix of languages. So how do you overcome that? There is very little scope for practice. Practice कशी करपाचे तुझे हिस्पान?
पण लोकांनी उलोवपाचें. एक्चुअली उलयल्यार तुका कोंकणी उलयल्यार तुका कोंकणीन रिस्पॉन्स दितलो. हिंदीन उलयल्यार हिंदीन रिस्पॉन्स दितलो. इवन आतां अदर पीपल भायले लोक येवन सुद्दां कोंकणीत उलयतात.
वय आणि बरे शिकतात, एकदम बरे शिकतात. I know a Sikh who speaks Konkani. I know a Oriya person who speaks Konkani. I know people from all over. Of course, Maharashtrians don't talk. Even people from Tamil Nadu and all, they speak Konkani. So that is not a problem. But we find it difficult to learn Konkani. So that is the problem. Tuka dista that Konkani is one of those languages where if you know a few words, people appreciate it, or will they laugh at you if you speak badly or speak with a wrong accent? Maka tari dista that people are a little bit unforgiving in Konkani. Right? They want you to speak correctly. That is the issue. Whereas in some languages, and people don't tolerate it. That is a problem. Whereas to say, if you go to Portuguese or German, to ek shabda, ek sentence sudha ulele, log they are very welcoming of you. Whereas in Konkani they say, nah, that is wrong. Tell us something about the vocabulary anyway. Which are the words that people find most difficult?
words like pronouncing l,
ल
ळ, ळ, ळ,
uh.
with the twist of tongue. तेका खूप प्रॅक्टीस करची पडटा पयलीं. They cannot.
Okay, okay, okay. It is typical. It's only a part of Marathi and Konkani.
Like,
Uh, L is only a part of Marathi and Konkani, no? Not even Hindi, no?
no. Not in Hindi. Yeah. So there are some words, not more.
Like for example.
Like नळ, पळे, चडशे मी पळे म्हणटात न्ही, पळे,
वय.
म्हाका पळे, पळ्ळो, तेन्ना
Yeah.
तें मातशें तांकां डिफिकल्ट जाता.
See, the problem is if you've grown up learning a language like English, which has 27 alphabets, then the subtle nuances of what you're pronouncing will not even be obvious to me. I will not even be able to understand what you're saying because for me it is L. There is only one L. So those are the issues. Your list of vocabulary of words, how many words are there in your list? Roughly, you've not counted. Maybe
In
in your vocabulary.
34.
Sorry.
34.
No. I'm not saying not the number of alphabets. How many words are there in your vocabulary in
my
your listing?
vocabulary?
Yeah. How many pages or something?
There must be 4-5 pages, I think.
They would have
Because
to.
I pick up very little words,
Okay.
not more. Then I give them homework just to go to the books and search the words with that. So they help me otherwise.
So this is in Romi and Devanagari both or any, or they can use any, supposing
Right?
the course is in
Course is in both the languages.
whatever is convenient to them.
Yes.
Because some people, if they know Hindi, Marathi, they would be
Yeah.
more fluent
And
in
I give them
Devanagari.
both the script.
Whatever.
If they're comfortable in both.
I see.
Yeah.
Or
Because
whatever.
sometimes they are difficult to pronounce the words. So I
Yeah.
have Devanagari. If they difficult to pronounce, so I make it simple.
Yeah, so Devanagari you would get the ease of pronunciation, but maybe difficulty in for those who don't know the script.
Yes.
For those who don't know. Thank you and all the best. Thanks for sharing with us. And this will be which course of yours? How many have you already taught so far?
Last 3 years I.
Last 3 years. So you're used to it, not a challenge. Thank you and all the best.
Thank you.